Welcome back to the BMX DAD channel. Previously I built this all black bike for a friend of mine. I was going to spray it in matte black and I didn't at the time, due to not really having time to do it. I didn't have any paint handy. However, we are now going to do it using a new type of spray called a matte paint lacquer, which should make the slightly glossier finish appear matte. So I'm going to give that a try, see how it comes out. Also going to replace these red stem bolts with black, and we're going to swap these wheels for some white rims. And I think instead of the Maxi's creepy crawler tyres, we're going to put some Maxi's holy rollers. Anyway, here we go. So the bars are off. I've masked off the grips and the after finish. The after should definitely be matte. So this is after one coat, and they're definitely looking a lot less gloss. We'll give them one more spray, then we'll turn them over and try the other side. This is the side we've sprayed. This is the side we haven't. So while that dries, I'm going to take this exposure front wheel off my very old first BMX and take this rear wheel, it's got a proper hub. It's a right side drive, it's been drilled out for extra lightweight. I'm going to put that with the holy rollers here onto this bike. First, when I take these off, I'm going to try this matte lacquer spray, see if we can get this bike a bit less shiny. Well, the matte paint's working really well, so I've actually just given the tops of the bars a bit of a spray to cover up some of the damage, and then knowing I can put the matte lacquer on afterwards. So the wheels are off. Before I can spray it, I need to give it a good white clean, make sure it's ready for spraying, and mask off any areas that I don't want to put. I decided to actually change the stem for one that's slightly better condition than the Salt Plus one. And the bolt's black. Here's the finished bike. We've matte blacked the paint and we swapped on some white rims and a new stem bolts. Also touched up the bars, matte blacked the bars. There we go. Hope you enjoyed the video. So just to conclude, I ended up properly spraying it matte black. And the bars, put it back together. We've just been out for a ride today. Charlie loves his bike. All working lovely, job well done.